Hey there, Android enthusiasts! Welcome back to Wireless Solutions, your ultimate guide to navigating the tech world one tap at a time. Today, we are tackling a question that has frustrated many of us. How do you keep apps running in the background on Android? Whether you want your music app to stay grooving while you multitask on your fitness tracker too? Well, track your fitness, we've got you covered. Here's a quick overview of what we will cover. Checking your battery optimization settings. Disable battery saver mode. Using the developer options trick to keep apps alive. Ready to make your apps behave like loyal sidekicks? Let us dive in. Step 1. Adjust battery optimization. First up, let us talk about battery optimization. Your Android phone has the clever feature that puts apps to sleep to save battery. But sometimes it is a little too clever, like when your music app suddenly stops because it is napping. Here's what to do. Go to Settings and scroll down until you can see the option called Apps. Go to Manage Apps. Select an app that you want to optimize your battery. Scroll down and click Battery Saver and make sure to click No Restrictions. And lo and behold, your app is now free to roam the background like a digital ninja. Step 2. Disable Battery Saver Mode. Battery saver mode is like the overprotected friend who doesn't let anyone have fun, especially your apps. It wants to save battery, but sometimes it is a little too eager to put your apps to bed. If you want your apps to keep partying in the background, you will need to give battery saver a break. First, slide down from the top and then swipe to the right. Second, make sure that this battery saver is not turned on. Now, your apps can stay awake, active, and working without battery saver playing the party pooper. Step number 3. Use developer options. Feeling adventurous? Let us unleash the power of Android's developer options. Do not worry, this isn't rocket science. It is just a hidden menu with some cool tricks. Go to Settings, About Phone. Tap build number 7 times until you see the message, "You are now a developer." Head to developer options in your settings. Look for background process limit and set it to standard or no limit. This ensures your apps stay alive and kicking, even when Android wants to put them to sleep. And that's it, everyone. 3 simple methods to keep your apps running smoothly in the background. Whether it is music, fitness, or your favorite game, your apps can now multitask as well as you do. If this video saved your sanity, give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more tech tips. And hey, let us know in the comments, what is the one app you absolutely need to stay active? Until next time, keep those apps running and stay connected with Wireless Solutions. Bye for now.